Hello, my name is Sam, and welcome to BrainTech. In this video, I will show you how to fix Instagram followers decreasing. To start, open your Instagram application in your mobile device. Tap on your profile on the bottom right. Then, tap on the three horizontal lines on the upper right this time. In here, click on the gear icon that says Settings. Then, tap on Your Security. In here, you will need to click on Apps and Websites. In here, you will see TikTok. You will need to click on the Remove button. These are apps and websites you've connected to your Instagram account. They can access non-public information that you choose to share with them. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.